Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's me JG and you're watching Tech Travel with JG. Today we are unboxing the 10th generation Apple MacBook Air 2020 Gold. The package comes with a 30 watts USB-C power adapter and a charging cable. (13.3-inch) Retina LED backlit display with True Tone technology, 1.1 GHz dual-core i3 processor. It comes with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB internal memory. Keyboard comes with keys including 12 function keys and 4 arrow keys in an inverted T arrangement. It also has a ambient light sensor and 2 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports for high-speed data transfer. It has a headphone jack on the other side and stereo speakers on both the sides for wide stereo sound. Now I'll show you how to set up the MacBook. First select the language and then select the country. Now select the preferred language and select the input sources. Now select your Wi-Fi network, type in your username and your password. Now click on continue for data privacy and then you have to select don't transfer any information now, or if you have an old PC or a Windows PC you can transfer all the data from the Windows PC, or else you can click on don't transfer any information now and just click the continue button, and then you have to type in your Apple ID and your password and then click continue. If you need, you can read out the terms and conditions, or else you can just click on agree and continue. Click on continue for Find My MacBook. Click on Share Crash and Usage Data with App Developers and press Continue. You can click on Continue. You can go to the File Vault Disk Encryption. Click on Turn Off Default Disk Encryption. For True Tone display, if you're using MacBook for photo or video editing, then it's better to turn it off, or else you can just continue. Finally, your MacBook is ready to use. If you like the video, please press the like button and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.